When we first had the idea for Enable Injections, it wasn't a difficult decision to stay here in Ohio. It's a great environment, it's a great place to live, it's got an abundance of talent, and it's got tremendous support and infrastructure. My name's Mike Hooven, and I'm the CEO of Enable Injections. Our goal is to really change the way intravenous drugs are delivered and to move that delivery from the hospital or clinic into the patient's home. The Infuse device is a mobile device that the patient can use themselves in place of an IV administration. And the patient simply places the device on their body. It looks like a yo-yo, and they press the button. There's an adhesive that holds the device to the body, and it automatically dispenses the drug in anywhere from a few minutes to up to an hour. In terms of locating in Ohio, there was no question as to whether or not Enable would locate here because of the connections and the resources. Some of the great benefits of doing business in Ohio are, I think, first of all, the quality of the employees that you can get. I think the quality of engineering education in the Midwest is tremendous. And the second is really the cost is tremendously advantageous when you compare to the coast. We're really excited about manufacturing here in Ohio. We were considering China, we were considering Mexico. We said it makes a lot more sense to manufacture here in Ohio where we have control, where we have great people, and where we can help build this economy in Cincinnati and Ohio. The manufacturing process that we have developed is one of the coolest things that I have ever seen. We can produce about 3 million units a year. By the time that product gets to the end of the line, it's taken over 1,000 measurements. I feel better about this than I've ever felt about any other business endeavor that I have done, because I see the impact this is going to have on people. I see the impact this is going to have on healthcare costs, and I see the dedication of everyone here at Enable in making lives better for patients around the world. So I would highly encourage companies to come here to Ohio, where you're going to be valued and supported. People don't really appreciate how good living in Ohio is and how sophisticated Ohio business really is, because the people in Ohio don't brag about themselves, unless they're playing Michigan.